May the peace, mercy, and blessings of God be upon you all. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can earn $5 every single week using the Binance application. Make sure you follow along with this entire explanation right until the very end. The very first thing we're going to do is open up the Binance application. I'm sure most of you are already familiar with the Binance application.
Once we have successfully accessed the Binance application, we should then gently scroll downwards for a short distance.
Later, to wait until this specific box or field becomes visible to us, then we proceed to click directly on it. Then next we will click on the hub option, specifically the content creators section. We're going to wait for just a very brief moment. After that, we will then proceed to click on this particular designated box. You'll then be required to carefully type in the information, and if there's anything else that might be required.
As you can see, my balance is currently 0. Hey, you are absolutely required to post. What I mean is, you must put out a new piece of content each and every single day. Once you manage to get a really good level of engagement and interaction, you will then be able to start earning some money on a consistent weekly basis. And this could be anywhere from $5 all the way up to $10, as you can clearly see demonstrated right here. There are many people just like you who are already successfully earning income from this. $361, $313,000. And with that, we have now reached the very end of this particular presentation. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure to hit that notification bell. This way, you'll always stay updated with all of our brand new content.